how to fix songs not playing on Apple Music. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you fix songs not playing on Apple Music. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open settings from your iPhone. Okay, so after you open the setting, you'll have to open General. Alright, so from here tap on Software Update. Okay, so now from the software update section, make sure that your iOS is up to date with its latest version. So from here you'll have to confirm, and after you confirm it, you'll have to just back from here. Okay, so from this general setting again, you'll have to tap on iPhone storage. Alright, so simply from here you'll have to scroll down and find the application music. Alright, so after you find the application music, you'll have to just tap on it. Okay, so simply from this section you'll have to tap on this upload app option. Alright, tap on upload app. Okay, so now from here you'll have to reinstall this app from here. So after you done this from here, this will free up storage using the app but keeps this document and data safe, so you will not lose any musics or some collection from this app. So it is safe and secure. This will only refresh your music app from your iPhone. So after you done this, you'll be able to fix that problem like songs not playing on your Apple Music. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.